So as a start, you need to understand we are learning area, and area is defined as the amount of space in the boundary of a flat two-dimensional object. Two-dimensional, it means you have the length and the breadth of the object, such as a square or a triangle, which is flat. So the amount of space refer to the space that I shade here. So area refer to the amount of space within this boundary of the two-dimensional object, which is flat, like the paper. For activity 2, you'll be learning about how to find the area of a non-standard shapes by estimation. So now choose an item that you would like to find out the amount of area that you will occupy on the geoboard. But first of all, you need to go to your geoboard, open it, and switch to a larger geoboard by clicking on this longer geoboard, and you will see a longer one than before with more dots on it. It follows by turning on the grid function and the number function that help you to visualize and estimate the area occupied by the object that you are interested later on. Once you turn on the grid button, you will see the grid in between the dots as shown above. Once you turn on the second one, you will see the next picture with the number on the grid, which you see as above. When all these functions are being turned on, they will be in green, and the number here will help you to calculate the number of square unit you have used, and all these you will be taken as 1 cm each. And for the two-dimensional object that you will be placing on top to draw on the geoboard directly, you will need the function called the pencil function that you used before. Once let's say I place a mouse on the geoboard, I will be able to draw this shape of the mouse to estimate its area as shown in the next picture. Imagine I have switched on the pencil button that I circle here. You will see this panel, and the color that I use, I can change it using this palette, and after that I can turn on this button for tracing the outline of the mouse, computer mouse that I use. Let me show you. So once you place the mouse on it, you will trace it, and eventually you will see a shape like this. So now your job is to make sure the outline is properly drawn, and by removing the object that you want to find out its area, and then you complete the lines so that there won't be any gaps in the outline. After that, similarly, do a snapshot and upload it. After that, you will find out the area of your friend's outline of the object they are interested in. But how do you actually find the area? By using square units. So by using square unit, you need to do some estimation by first counting the square unit that are complete. So for this one, you will be wrong to count it as number 10th square unit because there is a gap here. So I will have to erase this away as the number 10, but instead I will choose another one to count as number 10. So I will estimate by calculating all the full square unit first, so on and so forth. So by estimation, the full square unit that I have calculated will be 34. The remaining one, I will perhaps to join it up to calculate it by forming one square unit by estimation. So this is a 35th, and perhaps this is 36 by joining these two together, and this may be 37 with this and this into here, and this could be 38, and this is 39, and this 3 together is 40, and this few bits here can be joined over here, will be 41 and 42. These two can be joined as maybe 43, and this will be 44 together, and this is 45, and finally perhaps this is the 46 square unit. So altogether, my estimation of the area of the mouse that I had drawn will be 46 square units. As a summary of the activity 2, please read through the 6 instructions in this slide to understand all the instruction you are supposed to carry it out. If you still have any other questions, you may raise out your hand and ask me now.